someone take a video?
Yeah, I got this.
Johnny.
Jesse,
Gave you a nice count.
He's on the first shit.
That's because she was excited. Now she was
I'm way too lazy. Okay, drop it.
Are you videoing?
Same thing.
Are you videoing?
Why not? She's like his best.
Might go like too really fast. Oh yeah.
Wow.
You guys want me and Hung faded before.
Maybe like one of them was going up.
Okay, then it would be like $200 for one.
We're doing an Indian wedding, right? The guy had better fireworks than this.
Shit.
The guy's rich as fuck. He's a CEO. I got so much connections, I didn't realize.
Good for you.
Old people connections, yeah.
Because your parents have.
Yeah, my mom, man.
Woo! Oh, smiley face.
Yeah, we can compete.
Yeah? I was just sure.
Yo, JD King's going to the crib.
Oh, wait, what? Shirash is here?
Everyone knows that's me.
Oh, snap.
Alright, yo, we gotta do this for Vishal. I think
We'll make this plan another 30 years. These are the cool ones. Yeah, another 30 years. We still got time.
Your abstinence.
Are they supposed to make a shape or something?
We're in a bad angle. Can't really tell.
Come on.
Wow. Woo!
The big ones are going to come now.
Not yet. Like 20 minutes long.
Oh. Oh, that's cool.
Well, we should do this. Remember last time we had a good fire thing? Fire with Ella?
Yeah,
We should totally do that. It was so big.
we made him work. Yeah, they like,
Yeah, and then she was like all on her, man.
yeah, like, yeah.
Yeah, and then you have to help her. works.
Oh my god, my hands are getting tired.
Newspaper, yo, freaking Russian. You can stop here.
Hmm?
You can stop here.
No, it's okay. It's okay, Tom.
We're getting explanation in Mandarin.
That was cool.
The theory is that. That literally means that.
Okay, that's I keep hearing that.
Oh!
Well, I'll tell you something that's gonna make everyone hate you. Me. I never watched it either. I watched it.
There's like one of the
It's a pickup. Oh, I feel sorry. Watch it with me now. You know what, I've actually never watched past the first movie. I hear they import these fireworks from China. Custom made. No, it's actually true.
Probably true.
Why?
Can't surprise me.
Oh.
You can't manufacture them. Secret
Fish
formula. Lighting all of them right now. I know.
I love the ones that like fall like a waterfall.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. You realize I make that weird sound? Oh, snap.
Oh!
Snap!
Yo, that looks beautiful.
That looks beautiful.
That looks so beautiful. Oh wow, is that gonna set fire on someone? No, wait. Wow, it's still falling.
So, welcome to Great Seas Island.
That was nice. This has 10 minutes of fame right here.
Shall miss it.
Yeah, but yo, it's your fault, man. You didn't see it, like, obviously you have to go back and do it, right? You have to go to Waterloo, man.
Yo, he can go in the night. What a guy.
Because you leave in the morning, okay? You just see a random fireworks that looks like a something like
Well, like, so it was like, you can feel myself.
That's so true. Yo, it'd be Max passing gas.
What is it? Never imagined in mind.
say.
I'm gonna get slow. Special formulas. I'm telling you, Asians.
Practice?
They all chemical, Rick.
There's a lot of
Woo! Yeah, those are good smoke. It'd be sick if they have one flower that says Happy Canada. That'd be awesome. Or
Could
like,
have a nice ending.
or like a 3-part thing, like a Happy Canada Day. Yeah, or like a Canadian flag. Or something. Yeah. No, because they also have a firework that looks like Maple Leaf. That is so sick. That is so sick. You see, like blowing up everything. Yeah, that's pretty long. Dude. That was 12 minutes. Dude. How long did you record?